we add 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. From here 9 members come. 9 girls or boys, anyone. Okay, 9 girls come from here. Girls. I told only girls. 9 girls. You stand there. Stand there. Stand there. 9 girls. Only 5 girls came. Ria. 7 girls. Ponmalar. Dia. How many girls are here?
9.
Say number. 1. Dia.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9. 9 girls are here. Okay. Then 3 boys come. 3 boys come. Come 3 boys. Okay. Say
1, 2, 3.
3. Okay. இப்போ அதாவது சேர்க்கணும். அடிஷன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? சேர்க்கணும். We have to add together. Add together. We have to add together. And now we count. Okay. All are joined together. All students are joined together and stand there. Okay. Now count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
12. Answer is 9 plus 3 is equal to 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Very good. Okay. 12. So answer is 12. Answer is 12. Addition na enna பண்ணனும்? சேர்க்கணும். Addition na enna பண்ணனும்? சேர்க்கணும். Subtraction na enna பண்ணனும்? நீக்கணும். Subtraction na enna பண்ணனும்? பிரிச்சறணும். ஓகேவா? Okay girls. Very good. Thank you.